I have been telling this for quite some time now that if you really want to prevent type 2 diabetes, please fix your oral and gut microbiome. Today I'm going to discuss about certain metabolites secreted by both gut and oral microbiome that could lead to onset of type 2 diabetes. So your gut microbiome could secrete certain uremic toxins such as p-cresol and indoxyl sulphate, which are a byproduct of your gut microbiome actually synthesizing certain amino acids such as tryptophan and tyrosine. These uremic toxins actually causes endoplasmic reticulum stress. Now we all know that endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for secretion of insulin and amylin, which we know is regulate our blood sugar levels, right? And when these uremic toxins causes endoplasmic reticulum stress, it leads to misfolding of certain proteins, which leads to beta cell dysfunction, which leads to type 2 diabetes. In a recent research, it has been found that people who have type 2 diabetes have high level of misfolded proteins in their mitochondria, and these same uremic toxins actually damages mitochondrial respiration, causes mitochondrial dysfunction, which leads to production of ROS, which leads to oxidative stress, which leads to misfolding of certain proteins such as myelin, which causes beta cell death, which causes type 2 diabetes. Even there is this particular protease in the mitochondria which is required to actually degrade certain misfolded proteins, right? And the oral microbiome, certain specific oral bacteria called P. gingivalis could secrete a particular metabolite called gingipain, which could disrupt the function of this protease, right? And this leads to accumulation of misfolded proteins, which leads to beta cell dysfunction, which leads to type 2 diabetes. So rather than just tracking your blood sugar level, probably understand your microbiome functions, your gut and oral microbiome functions, and fix them so that you can prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes.